Hello and welcome to another Whimsy Stamps product reveal. We are sharing the Princess Dragon 4x6 clear stamp set. Here is a look at this awesome clear stamp set with these adorable dragon images. We have one dragon here holding her little frog prince, another dragon waiting in her tower, and there's so many great sentiments, and I love the mixed matched fonts so you can kind of play around and create your own sentiment to match similarly to what sentiment is here with the kiss of frog. So let's go ahead and stamp these out and we will talk more about the images. I'm going to be stamping on a white piece of cardstock, and I'm going to be using my VersaFine and Onyx Black ink so I know I will get some crisp, clear images. I'm going to start with the first image. This dragon measures 2 1/8 by 2 11/16 inches. Our second image is 2 3/16 by 4 inches. I think that's such great character stamps, and they match with some of our other new releases today. Our sentiments are happy birthday, may your day be, and these can be partnered with some of our fun scripty fonts like the sentiment princess. We also have magical, sparkle, and dream. And I love these. I love that you can pair them up to make a sentiment, but my favorite is going to be sometimes you have to kiss a frog to find your prince. So here are the cute images and sentiments. I'm going to go ahead and cut one of these out and put them on a card to share with you an example. So here is an adorable slimline with our princess dragon. How cute she is with her frog. I partnered it with the new Enchanted Slimline paper pack, as well as some oldies but goodies from the Whimsy Stamps store. Here is another look at the card. You can find how I made it on my personal YouTube channel with the link down below, as well as a link to the brand new products released today. Make sure you head over to our Whimsy social media sites, especially our Facebook group where you can find more inspiration. Have a wonderful day!